everybody, welcome to Dr. Tech Pro channel. Today I talk about Samsung remote. One remote is old, one remote is new. Let's see what is better. You can see this is my Samsung TV old with this remote control and my new Samsung TV with this remote control. This is the old remote control. It is a big, it is a heavy, it has many buttons, volume buttons, channel buttons, remote, menu, and everything. It's worked after 50 years. Very strong, very good. I like this remote. And now, ladies and gentlemen, this is a new remote. It's small, it looks modern, it has few buttons. For example, this. Too weak, too bad. I don't like this remote. Old remote, strong, useful. New remote, weak, useless. Old is better. Old remote is winner. I'm sorry, Samsung. This remote, new remote, only one month works very bad. But old remote is very good. What do you think, my friend? Do you like old remote or new remote? Did your remote break fast? Please write your story in comments. Thank you for watching. See you next time.